I don't know about you, but remote learning is super hard for our kids, and some of them can feel a little bit frustrated. One thing we can do to help brighten their mood is offer them some praise. There's some ways that you can do that in Microsoft Teams that are a little bit more valuable than just sending them a message and saying good job. If you come down here to new conversation, and you'll notice you should have a little badge icon here that if you hold your mouse over it says praise. If that's not there, you can get it by clicking this, more apps, searching praise up here, and for me, it says open, but if you don't have it, it's going to say add for me. Once we get that icon on our Teams shortcuts, we can just click it, and then it'll give us a variety of options to choose for badges. I might say pick Achiever for a student. I can add a personalized message over here, and then I can type in anybody's name that I want that is in my team. I will preview that message. This is what that praise is going to look like, and I'm going to go ahead and send it. Now, the problem with doing it this way is it is going to post on your general channel. You may not want that public recognition, and sometimes public recognition for students embarrasses them. So you can always do it through the chat as well. If you click on the chat icon and you have all your chats, you can type in the name of the person you want to send that to, and here is your praise icon down here. So I know that it's a difficult time for our kids. Go ahead and try giving them some digital praise. I know the badges in Microsoft, they motivate me to keep taking the Microsoft classes. A little digital praise might motivate your students to try a little bit harder in your class.